Namaste ji.
कैसे हैं महेश भाई?
Yes, I'm doing good, sir.
गुड।
Namaste.
आवाज आ रही है
Namaste.
आपको?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Yes, yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
ओके। सो महेश भाई, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस टू यू टू आवर viewers. Mahesh Vinayakar is the classical singer and renowned artist, and he's belong to South India, and he's belong to renowned family. As a musician, everyone know about him. He's visited a lot of countries regarding the music concert, and a son of uh, Panditji, Bhikkhu Vinayakaram Padma Vibhushan. And when I say something about him, I don't think so. I have good words, and uh, I request to Mahesh Bhai, please say something about your journey, about your life when you start the music journey, and what about your tradition, what about your generation. Please, you can explain better than
Yes.
anyone else, please.
Yeah. So I'm Mahesh Vinayakaram. I'm the third son of the legendary Vikku Vinayakaram. And
Yeah,
we are the third generations of musicians who are continuing the musical legacy. As
yeah.
you know, first it started from my grandfather, T.R. Harihar Sharmaji, and then
Okay.
my father, Vikku Vinayakaramji, and then me, the third generation. And I'm also happy to say that my son and my daughter are the fourth generation of the
Oh my God,
musician. We are
beautiful.
continuing the legacy.
Beautiful. So it means in your genes, music are running in your genes, in your blood. Yeah,
Yes,
it's easy
yes,
for you. I think so. Yeah,
it is genetic. Yeah.
yeah, it's in genetic. So Mahesh bhai, because we believe that without spirit, without purity, music cannot happen easily, because when you perform, when you sing, and average people, they use a lot of mind, lot of lust, lot of desire, lot of things. But as a
Mm,
musician, what you
mm.
think about the this true? Is it true, if without soul, without purity, music is not complete? What do you think about that?
I mean, yoga is all about, I mean, you know much about yoga, but in
Yeah,
yoga is a different perspective. Yoga is not defined and confined only to the poses and the body. It's an alignment how you have the body and mind and soul connects. So when the
yeah.
three things come together and connect, the sound travels more faster than the light. So the
Oh,
nada, which goes inside the sound from the Adhara chakra, it's very easily done. So the Kundalini raise is happening only, not only just like yogic pose, it can happen for us in anything. By seeing a nice flower, you can see the Kundalini raise raising. And by singing a raga and then immediately changing a raga and changing a tempo and then going to the climax, will immediately, you can see that the Josh is just going higher and higher, and it
yeah.
really goes there. So sound has a greater effects on the physical body.
Okay.
So that's the base science that we do in the raga therapy.
Yeah.
Raga therapy, the main reason is sound penetration towards the body. So each raga has a swara in such a way that you trigger those notes and then you become like, for example, 98.1
Yeah.
is noise, and point 2 and then point 3 immediately turns into music. That's because
Mm.
of that frequency, Shruti
Oh,
Suddha.
oh my God. Yeah.
98.1 is completely noise. Point 2 is shuffling and shuffling. You're trying, and point 3 immediately again, then you're like, ah, wow. And then it turns into music. So, certain frequency which really resonates so much on the body. That's why when
Oh,
the sound comes, when the fakir is going, when the namaz is going, knowingly, unknowingly, that pattern of the shruti, which goes like mind is always like it stops the mind game. So the
yeah.
sound travels. So the game is all on the left. The right is chakra, heart chakra. So when you
Ah,
surrender, then the sound comes, and then when that goes inside, naturally you get that therapeutic effect. Of course, after it stops, then the mind gets on, then you take over. So that's why the mind cannot be a master. Mind
Yeah.
can be a super student, but if you train.
If you train, and this is a concept of the yoga also, as well as you telling about this concept of the music. And
So
Maheshji, I heard this the Vedas also a lot of theory about the classical music. So because you are from a traditional musical family, and you know better about that. So what Veda tell us through the classical music?
actually, if you see art forms, 64 art forms are there, starting from theater, dance, music, instrumental, and then painting, and whatever it is, which stimulates all the creative brain, which comes as art form. Kalari, Kalari Payattu, many art forms are there. Paper making, Rangoli painting,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that, 64 art forms are there. Out of
64.
all the 64 art forms, the learning process of Veda had come from longest tradition without any book. For
Oh my.
example, yeah, the teacher or a father teaches his son. ततो
Yeah.
युद्ध परिश्रान्तं समरे चिन्तया स्थितं रावणं चाघ्रतो दृष्ट्वा युद्धाय समुपस्थितं. He teaches that sound, Vedas, and then he learns, and then he
Yeah.
transforms that to the generation, and it
Yeah.
has passed like generations. So this is the one art form, the Veda, Chatur Veda, which
Uh,
did not have any manuscript. Of course, it came later years. Even now in the Chatur Veda, we don't have something called where like a compilation of a CD, because it's a so complete universal cosmic science. So it's like a deeper mathematics of logics of Indian. I mean, it's a root of Bharat. It's the complete. That's why Bharat is so famous. So in Sankalp also we say Mamo Partha Samasta Dhurudakshetwara Sri Parameshwara Prityattam
yeah.
Bharata Varshe Bharata Kande. So you are emitting an email to the cosmic source saying that
Oh,
I'm doing this, please accept. So on the three lokas, you're trying to elevate and then messaging. So when the Wi-Fi can work, why not, the frequency? So for
okay.
example, if somebody calls you, you might say that, oh yeah, yeah, I was thinking of you. And then
Yeah.
you might get a Skype
Yeah. Yeah.
message.
Yeah.
You might
Yeah.
get a phone.
Yeah.
Just now I
Yeah.
thought of you. You're
Yeah.
coming, you're calling me.
Yeah.
That's like, it's the same
Oh my.
fact.
Oh, great. So
So this
and
is the oldest art form that it could come Chatur
so
Vedas
Mahesh
or the,
Bhai,
yeah.
in one side you are just telling to us uh, classical music has same impact like yoga.
Hmm.
And in the earlier, before
Hmm.
5 minutes, you told me it's help to awakening about chakra. So our viewer, they will happy to listen about that. Please explain in the briefly
Okay.
how
As
yeah.
you know that the number seven has a significance in different way. Sapta Rishis, Sapta Swara, Sapta
Hmm.
syllables. It has many. Seven is very unique. Even in the slot machines, you say 777.
Yeah,
777 is the
seven chakra.
slot machine.
Yeah,
Seven is
seven
very
chakra.
important.
Yes.
Seven is everywhere because each
Yeah.
number has a connotation and significance. So
Uh-huh.
Sarigama Padani is rooted on the Sajjamam, Rishabam, Gandharam, Madhyamam, Panchamam, Daivatam, Nishadam. The sound, if you resonate, 440, scientifically we say that it's a 440 hertz. So the 440 Shruti of the C scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, which is Sa,
Oh
Ri,
my
Ga,
God.
Ma, Pa, Da, Ni.
Oh, great.
So
So
the
this is the
Sarigama
basic.
Padani.
Yeah, this is very similar yoga
Yeah,
and
very
music.
similar to the, and of course, on the yogic fashion, they have their own names of Yam, Vam, Lam, Vam, Shram. They have their own way of expanding the sound in a different way. But the
Yeah.
Adhara Shruti and the sound is the same. I give you a practical example. For example, you elevate one sound, and then, for example, you take one scale. So I'm going to give you any, I'll give you a C scale. So now I'm putting in the iTabla
Yeah.
Pro C scale, and I'm giving you this one. And sa pa sa pa sa. Let's take one basic raga and then sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da ba ba ga ri sa. That's the between this chakra and here. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Sa, sa. So you see the 3 octaves which goes on the sound. So these are the main patterns. So when you do this Om on different sounds, you really
Yes.
feel that. For
Vibration.
example, if you're, you can feel that sound
Yeah.
when it goes on different chakras.
Yes.
Sa, ni, da, pa. And then more you go, you see that wow, there's like really grounding sound. If you really go inward and start the journey, that's why when the Riyaz is happening, Riyaz is not only the sound, it's just like Advaita. You become no mind, and also you dissolve in the no mind, and in a way that when the Riyaz is happening, you just melt yourself in that one note where you go deeper, when that.
So, Mahesh bhai, because I saw your concerts and through Facebook, through Instagram, and sometime I know about the way you work with the yoga spiritual people around the world, in Europe, in everywhere.
Yeah.
So, please explain something. What you do, and how you help in the yoga field, please.
As you know that my medium and also my subject is being music, I do something called raga therapy. I'm just doing that in Germany. I have a unit where like I try to give therapy sessions to the five minds people. Five
Okay.
mind people. Sixth mind is what we react so much on the sixth
Yes.
element where like we appreciate, we
Yeah.
give gestures. But the
Yeah.
fifth mind is where like the clients will come and then they will be with the wheelchair and
Yeah.
they'll be there. But the relation is just inside. So they can't reciprocate so much with the action. But I had this
Okay.
experience when I started singing this Shankarabharanam Ragam. It was just 60 plus. She was a lady, and it was me and here. And parallelly, they watch all the things which are happening. And scientifically, they will analyze all the things like how the blood pressure is going. There are apparatus. It's just me
Yes.
and with the in a room. They will watch me, and it is
Okay.
just a feeling where like she's thanking me. I started, and then she was on the tears.
Mm-hmm.
So it is a human relation
Human.
what a sound can do and also the expressions of insight how it can connect to the people.
Yeah.
So in this way I try to link and also try to sing with different kinds of yoga partners. I have been traveling, so I have one in Switzerland and one, there is a big yoga center in Fiji Islands where I used to go there, and there is a Swami. And in Sweden there is a Yog Mela which is happening. So quite yoga is on more demand now. This
Yeah.
has
Yeah.
become yoga has become also not only as a fashion but also under high demand that
Yeah.
it needs. Different people needs different yoga. So yoga is not confined only to the body. Yoga is about the state, how you elevate from one frequency, as I said, from one frequency to the other frequency.
Hmm. So, I wish you in practically sing something for useful the yogic people, so they can get benefit in the future also after the watch your
Yeah,
video.
I can give you one Mahamrityunjaya mantra,
Yeah.
which is very good for everybody for Shrestha, all
Yeah.
for goodness mantra.
Hmm.
So, Om त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयवामृतात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. பால் நினைந்தூட்டும் தாயினும் சாலப்பரில்தினி பால் நினைந்தூட்டும் தாயினும் சாலப்பரில்தினி பாவியனுடைய ஊனினை உருக்கி உள்ளொளி பெருக்கி உழப்பிலா ஆனந்தமாய தேனினை சொரிந்து புறம் புறம் திரிந்த என் செல்வமே செல்வமே சிவபெருமானே யான் உனை தொடர்ந்து சிக்கன பிடித்த எங்கெழுந்தருளுவதினியே பால் நிலையில் தூட்டும் தாயினும் சாலப் பரில்து நீ பாவியனுடைய ஊடினை உருக்கி உள்ளொளி பெருக்கி உடப்பிலா ஆனந்தமாய தேனினை சுரிந்து புறம் புறம் பிரிந்த என் செல்வமே சிவபெருமானே யான் உனை தொடர்ந்து 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 சிக்கன பிடித்தேன் எங்கெழுந்தருளுவதினியே.
Great, great. Mahesh bhai, one more question, and I love to know. I'm really very excited to know. In your teaching pattern, how you teach to the new people? They don't know about the classical music. They don't know about the yoga. So how you how they can start with the journey, spirituality with music through you, and so how, what is the suggestion for them?
Okay, the base note is that you try to get yourself familiarized first. So first you should start the liking to like the music. Not that you really need to be a singer. The idea of music is not to, of course, many of the people have their own purpose in their life to do what they have to. Not everybody wanted to be a pro, and the idea of music is to give hopes in your life.
Okay.
For example, a simple song, Why the Scholarberry, or any complete famous song, or any song, Michael Jackson song, is like anybody can sing. That gives them hope. I say that, okay, I can also sing. So that's the zest of life.
Okay.
Like, I want to sing something, not to the extent where like you want to be a professional, but it gives you hope. So that essence, you can't leave it. Everybody has their own voice. Actually, technically speaking, each and every people has their unique voice quality. Though they belong to the same genetic, the quality of the DNA count is different in a microsecond. So there is a quality in you. When you have come from the lineage, your voice will sound little different when you train them. Same way, when you hear some songs and when you sing that song from your voice, you will have a feeling. So when you sing, and then when you sing from your own, of course, it's not professional, but still you will have a contentment, saying, wow, kya baat hai. And you will start singing.
You are right. So this is the
That's
so,
the
Mahesh bhai, because I belong to musical family as well, as you know about that. So when I saw your father, they have different kind of thing, and when I see to you, you have totally different. So why this two, you are two celebrities, you are two stars in your one home. So what are the differences, basic difference between you and your father? Please explain.
I mean, I'm what I come from my father,
Yeah,
but I
yeah,
want to be me because
yeah,
I really like myself. I want to
yeah,
reveal my real me inside. Though I
yeah,
come from my mother, I'm here for
yeah,
my purpose. So
yeah,
my journey is different, and also I started enjoying so much in my father that I take it. But I'm so happy for what I am. It's not only because this is full of my father and mother, but
yeah.
here what my perception towards the life is different. So I want to express that to the medium, and I am just stretching that to the core that I'm
Yeah.
really enjoying the journey. For example, I have my own set of things where like I do, but I'm so happy that my father allows that to happen, and he doesn't even ask me how I dress. For
Oh my
example, in
God.
traditional way, if I go in a thing, I wear like a leather jacket or a thing or
Oh
whatever
yeah,
you do.
yeah.
He doesn't enter in any of the. He has his own privacy, and he also appreciate our privacy levels. Even if it's a girl or a boy, he says that it is you who have to decide who. So you are responsible for whatever it is. So it is you
Great.
you want to
And that's why you are
dress.
here. You are become a big celebrity in the international level, and you
Thank you.
represent India. So it's just because of your father gives to you, freedom. You
Yes,
express
freedom.
yourself, and you express in the different way. You know.
Exactly.
Yeah. So that's the great.
Freedom comes with conditions.
Yes.
Freedom always comes with conditions.
Yeah.
So if
And
you understand, then it becomes so beautiful.
yes, and you're so beautiful, Mahesh bhai. I know last so many years to you. So in 2011 we met first time
Yes,
in
in
Jodhpur. Yeah.
Jodhpur.
Mahesh bhai, my last question is that if we need create a lovely world, if we need create a humble and beautiful world, so what is the a single person, what's the efforts for as everyone, so what is your message to the people, what they need to do so we can create a good and beautiful world, please, in your way.
In my perception, in my 42 years of journey, and
Yeah.
first 10, 20 years was different, but this 24 years, I could say that your love and respect and your esteem, what you create for yourself, is your contribution to the world. What
Oh
you
my.
feed inside, and how beautifully you are, and how respectful you are, and how you accept yourself becomes outside. So I wanted to perceive more inside for whatever I'm doing outside. For example, outside we do for establishment and for commitment and thing, but at a time, even on the day, we do something for inside. Of course, for example, let me say in an easy word, if it's a social media or a social world, you have to be very careful that it's a strong medium. So you do something for those, and then you have something which is called secret. What is secret is has to be secret. So the same way, you do something on inside. So how you work about inside, changing of opening of your third hunch, the third eye of whatever you perceive, whatever you see outside, you start seeing inside. You put a question, and you put a question: why is how is this breathe is happening? And then many philosophical ideas will follow. So meditation is not what you do; it is already happening. You come to a reality, you come to a clarity, you come to an awareness and a state that it is already you're joining the state of meditation. That's called unison. Unison is all meditation. I mean, the yoga is also called as unison, where it unites. So that's how I feel that one should be so happy inside. Let it be any small thing, but you treat yourself with respect. With so I want to treat myself with respect. So I start, decorating myself, and I start celebrating myself. We always think about yesterday. We say that, oh, yesterday I just missed this, and then we say that, oh, tomorrow I have an early flight. We never cherish this moment. I'm now seeing you. It's the biggest opportunity that the Supreme has given me. So each and every time you address the people who you are talking, and if you start developing that kind of mind, body, soul, condition aligning
Yeah.
together all the time, then you will have a little higher frequency of your life. So you will have more meaning, and also you will find your purpose of your life in a very beautiful way. And this
Yeah.
music being the medium, used always be in that tuning, so that both of the brain and the mind and the body and the soul will unite. That's what is the
Very good.
contribution that we could do to the world. And I
Oh, oh.
strongly believe in it. I strongly, that is one's contribution to the world. So if one is happy, the beloved is happy, and the children are happy. And if one family is happy,
Yeah.
50 people are benefited out of that smile. So
Great.
when
Great.
he goes to
Great.
the office, he has that joy. So knowingly, another girl or another boy who comes, he said, "Oh wow, it's nice to see you, man. It's so glowing." So just because he is happy, 100, it goes like a flu. So
Yeah. Yeah.
let's
Absolutely.
share
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
smiles and
It's
laughters,
like yeah.
not
Good
the
infection.
not
Yeah.
the infectious, like really infectious, but good
Yeah.
infection, like
Good
the love.
infection. So thanks, Mahesh bhai, and viewers for upcoming viewers. Uh, that's why I wish to touch. I wish to connect with the such a spiritual people like Mahesh Vinayakaram, like Altamash bhai will be come tomorrow, and this journey just because we can understand how the celebrities live their life and what the concept of the life. So we understand after talking to the Mahesh bhai, his in the his music in his blood, genetic, but you think his father gives him freedom, what he want to do. So in the modern world, he gives his music in the new way. So people more accept and more freely they they open hearted, they accept him, and that's why Mahesh Bhai is the very popular in the musical in the around the world. And second thing, I understand what you are inside, you can express outside. So Mahesh Bhai is the pure inside. That's why he expresses himself outside, and that's why he's a very true person. And third thing, I really still I'm not believe that Mahesh Vinayakaram has such a wide uh, knowledge about the yoga, about the music, about the Vedas, about a lot of things. And this is for the one person. If someone asks to me about the music, it's really difficult to for me. I maybe I cannot explain much, because my field is not the music. But if someone asks me about the yoga, maybe I can explain a little bit. But Mahesh Bhai, Mahesh Vinayakaram have lot of knowledge, lot of skill about the in the details. So this conversation is really worthy for us, and hope everyone will learn something and enjoy with Mahesh Bhai. Thank you, Mahesh Bhai. Have a
Thank you
great day,
so
Mahesh
much.
Bhai. Namaste.
Smile, smile and laughters and blessings. Om Namah Shivaya.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Oh, Namaste.
Namaste.